sombrero na doon, yung blue, yung kulay. Sarap. Ay, walang pang boy eh. This is the Hida pork. Chicken and Hida potato. We are with a Japanese tour guide and we don't understand what he's talking about, so we just follow where they're going. Ha? Ano sabi niya? Where are we, sweetheart? Where are we?
Apo.
Hi! We are with a Japanese tour, so we really don't know what they're talking about. So we just follow. We'll follow them.
上から下に歩いてる感じです。上から下。ここがピンクの点々点々ですので。じゃあ、お食事お買い物。
でもsarap yun, bro. Tigisa tayo para may hawak tayo pareho. Tatsu.
One with seaweed. Nori?
Nori, nori, hai. Nori. Ichi. Ichi, ichi. Hai, arigatou gozaimasu.
Atikan ko muna. Let's try it first.
Ito. Meron. Next.
We're heading to our room. Yes, it's 401. Check. Oh, we got 2 beds. We got 2 beds, sweetheart. We got free water. Let's check our view. We are by the Toyoma station. And it's the railway. That's our view. We got 2 beds. Let's check the... We got a big TV. Maybe a 50 inches TV. It's the restroom. Hi! Hi, sweetheart!
Kitang-kita, oh.
We're here in Toyama Station. We're staying here for tonight for tomorrow's tour. So this is Toyama Station with lots of hotels everywhere and restaurants, and we're looking for where to eat, and we decided to go to Patio Sakura. Let's see what they have in there. And we end up eating ramen by the train station. Hi, thank you. What's your soup so far?
Miso ramen.
Mine is salty Chinese noodles.